Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ensure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are also chilled for optimal whipping. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfect, fluffy whipped cream every time. Before you begin, place your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This crucial step keeps the cream cold, allowing it to whip up much faster and achieve a greater volume. You can use either a stand mixer with a whisk attachment or a hand mixer for this process, whichever you prefer. Pour the chilled heavy cream into your cold bowl, then add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Begin mixing on a low speed to combine the ingredients, then gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Continue whipping until the cream reaches your desired consistency, whether that's soft peaks for a gentle topping or firm peaks for piping. Once your whipped cream is ready, serve it immediately to enjoy its light and airy texture. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh for up to 2 days, though it's always best when enjoyed right after preparation. Enjoy your delicious homemade whipped cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.